Hi everyone, I am Queen Rose C. Plapia from Eastern Samar State University, Main Campus, Burungan City. Currently taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. The hours that I need to render is 500 hours. I am from IT Marketing Department. During my OJT, I learned how to edit posters and videos, which helped me improve my creativity and technical skills. I also gained experience in organizing and sorting important documents, creating directories for clients, and managing logistics, supplier, and the OJT master list. This task helped me become more organized, detail-oriented, and responsible in handling different assignments. The most challenging part of my OJT was communicating with clients, especially when there were urgent tasks that needed to be completed immediately. At first, it was difficult for me because I was shy and not used to speaking confidently with professionals. Natatakot din naman kasi akong magkamali nung una. However, it became memorable when I successfully completed tasks under pressure. This OJT helped me grow professionally by overcoming my shyness and building my confidence. I learned how to communicate with the employees, which greatly improved my communication skills. It also strengthened my time management skill and taught me how to handle responsibilities in a real work environment. Overall, this OJT prepared me for real-world work by exposing me to actual workplace responsibilities and expectations. As a student, it gave me valuable experience in adapting to different situations, working under pressure, and collaborating with a team. Now, I feel more confident and ready to face future challenges in my career. To GPMC, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be part of your company. Thank you for the unforgettable experience, valuable knowledge, and meaningful values that I gained during my internship. I truly appreciate the guidance and support that helped me grow personally. Once again, I am Queen Rosie Plakia from IT Marketing Department, Batch 5, and I am very grateful to be part of this journey.